just land. We just got to Tsukiji. I can't believe we actually survived, made it. But yeah, we just came from here. We just got the train from Ueno. This is pretty much us. It is pretty cold. The bro's got jandals. That's how we do it. The temple is called the main hall of Tsukiji Hongwanji Temple. But yeah, so sick. Alright. So yeah, we just came, we're in outer market, I'm pretty sure. But one place already packed down there, so we're just gonna look around here. And hopefully we find something to eat later. So we just grabbed some food from a little place here. Eel and crab. I am a little hungry, so let's go. Alright, update. That was nice. And we just passed this. I think everything's still opening up. Half an hour ago it was half this. Now it's like it's just doubling up. It's like it's the only place you can get food. I didn't even know what I'm lining up for, but we are just this is our life now. Alright, we are in I have no clue what is this. Alright, so this next place you're about to see was pretty trippy. It was the Team Lab Planet's Modern Museum, which was cool. Buzzy, very busy though. Not my kind of thing I would go to, but definitely a place you might want to check out if you're in Tokyo. Like one of those one-off places you want to say you went to, you know. Oh, that's trippy. Jeez. Oh, yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh yep, oh yep, just shed water. GG if you drop something in here.
So please be careful. Just tap the balls lightly and they will change color.
I don't know what they call these. What do they call these? Terminators. I have no clue what's going on. Alright.
Do you feel one with the powers?
Yes. I feel my spirit lifting up with them. So yeah, pretty much this is the locker room. It's something you use one-off you do, so that's cool. Alright, that is Team Lab Planets. That was okay. As popular as ever. Yeah, disappointing arrival at Immersive Fort. We are going to Odaiba. as planned, there's Diver City right there, and I don't know if you can see the Gundam, but let's go. Alright, maybe this is the one thing that's kind of worth coming here for.
Yeah,
As you're about to see. There it is. That's what we're here for. The ABC Mart Grand Stage. Oh, and the big Gundam, of course. Oh, that's freaking cool. Here's the Fuji television tower. But man, look at this weather, bro. Freaking insane. Oh, yo, so we ended up going back to the mall to grab a feed. But I also want to check out this Gundam base. Not a big Gundam fan, but if you're ever here and you're a Gundam fan, this place was insane. Didn't buy anything though, but still, it's dope. This is cool, man. Wax Museum. We got Usain Bolt, Michael Schumacher, Darvish, and DH. Sumo. Alright, for some weird reason I didn't record all the wax figures I liked, like Jackie Chan and Ichi the Killer. I don't know why, don't even ask me why, but yeah, that's pretty dope. It's pretty dope. Bro, that's cool. So this is Island Mall where the Wax Museum is in the Legoland. And then we go Seaside Mall here, which I don't even know what's. And then we went to Diver City Mall, and we haven't been to Aqua City Mall, and like, oh my goodness, there's so many malls here, bro. Oh, we made it to Tokyo Bay. Finally. Almost nighttime. Yo. So yeah, that was our half a day in Odaiba, and it was pretty sick, pretty dope. Definitely worth coming out here at least once to see the massive Gundam if you're in Tokyo. And even there, there's like a lot of shops, malls. There's a lot of things you can do here. Yeah, no, it's cool. It's pretty cool. There's like a replica Statue of Liberty, a wax museum. There's a cool arcade place that we didn't get to go to, but still, so much you can do here. So yeah, here we decided to kick it in Odaiba until night and booked a boat taxi to go through Tokyo Bay to Minato Pier so we could go see the Tokyo Tower. The boat ride was actually pretty sick. But yeah, Odaiba, man, definitely a dope place to go to and check out. Tokyo Tower, here we come. The longest walk on earth. Alright, a couple minutes. We're almost there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is Zoyoshi Temple. And there we are. Kev, that is not a 30-minute walk. That is not a... Oh, cool. That's a pretty cool effect. Last view of the city from the tower. only got 5% left, but Sojoji Temple.